Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error VAN9003 in Valorant. Chapter 1. Fix VAN9003 error in Valorant Updating System. To start, click on the Start menu, click on Settings, then click on Windows Update. Now click on Check for updates, or confirm if there are updates pending to be installed. Chapter 2. Fix VAN9003 error in Valorant Validating errors. To start, right-click on the Valorant shortcut. After that, click on Properties. Now go to the Compatibility tab. Once here, click on Run Compatibility Troubleshooter. You can then interact with the generated questions to detect the cause of the error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. Fix VAN9003 error in Valorant from Advanced Start. To start, click on the Start menu, click on Settings. Then in System, click on Recovery. Then select Restart Now. After that, click on Restart Now. The system will reboot into advanced mode. Wait for it to be rebooted. When you access this mode, click on Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Then, you will have various options to use to repair Windows 11. Finally, you can click Continue to access the system and use Valorant. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.